Garlic has some amazing benefits. Here are some of the best known. Garlic is known to help improve your immunity and has been shown in some studies to decrease the risk of many different kinds of cancer. The pungent herb also is capable of helping reduce inflammation in joints and muscles. Garlic supplements and studies have been shown to help lower cholesterol and help with the arteries as well as blood pressure. Garlic has an antioxidant capability that can help remove toxins and free radicals that can impact your hair and skin. Potentially, this means garlic can help decrease breakouts and leave your hair looking shiny. The antibacterial qualities also make it perfect for fighting fungus, like athlete's foot. So what happens if you drink garlic water on an empty stomach every morning? Let's take a look at the 4 known benefits. 1. Improve lipids. Taking in raw garlic in the morning could be potentially helpful with your body's lipid profile. The herb is a natural blood thinner and may be able to help with cholesterol levels. 2. Gut health. If you eat raw garlic, the antibiotic properties are elevated, especially when eaten on an empty stomach. Exposing gut bacteria to the antibiotic compounds of the garlic can help improve your overall health. Better gut health will help with immunity to cold and viruses. 3. Digestion and weight loss. Drinking raw garlic and water in the morning can help start up your digestive process and appetite. A better digestion process will, in turn, help with weight loss. 4. Detoxification. The sulfur in garlic can help usher toxins and other nasty stuff out of your body. Adding water to it helps with the process and makes it smoother and quicker while hydrating your body as well. To make garlic water, all you need to do is put a clove of garlic kneaded in 100 milliliters of water and let the mixture rest overnight, then drink it in the morning. So as you can see, this popular craze of drinking garlic water in the morning does have real benefits. If you've enjoyed this video and want more natural health remedies, then check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine. And you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.